Congratulations, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So, what is the first development you want to do in Panjim, sir?
We are here to move ahead to make Panjim a progressive city.
Yeah.
So that is our main agenda.
Okay.
The rest is the thing will basically follow.
Okay. Sir, there are many opposition. They have claimed that many allegation on you. So,
Yeah, this is not the first time I'm contesting an election.
okay.
I've been an MLA for the first 4 terms.
Okay.
And as far as this allegation and all, I think I always believe that our judiciary system is intact.
Okay.
So I look at as far as the judiciary is concerned, I've got full faith in the system of the judicial system of our country.
Okay. Sir,
It is never development is a progress and process. So there is never an end to development.
okay.
It is as time goes by, you got to basically start having a new. Means you got to basically have a new progress for that same development. That is concerned.
There, people are saying there are much jungle between two peoples, Utpal and Babush Monserrate.
See, now first of all, that issue is settled as far as ticket is concerned. I was just falling back because I was actually confident as far as I am concerned that the party would nominate me as a candidate for Panjim.
Okay.
I had full confidence in the party in our central leadership.
Okay.
So as far as see, there are so many candidates who will be in the fray. Am I getting elected unopposed? No.
Yeah.
There are other parties also in the fray. So we will work out. See, I have got nothing. I have got high regards as far as Mr. Manohar Parrikar is concerned.
Okay.
I always consider him to be the tallest leader.
Okay.
I can never compare myself to Mr. Manohar Parrikar. But as far as his dreams and wishes are concerned, I will see that comes into a reality.